Now fasten your seatbelt and be ready for the journey full of colors, memories, and spirit to know more deeply about ISBI Aceh. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The Indonesian Institute of the Arts and Culture, ISBI Aceh, was officially established on October 6, 2014 and was inaugurated by President Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono. ISBI Aceh is located on Jalan Transmigrasi, Gampong Bukit Mesara, Jantoh City, Aceh Besar Regency, Aceh Province, Indonesia. A serene and green highland environment surrounded by hills and forests that creates an ideal atmosphere for creativity, reflection, and focused academic life. This Jantoh City is positioned approximately 60 kilometers from Banda Aceh. ISBI Aceh currently offers 2 main departments with a total of 11 undergrad S1 or Bachelor Study Program. Department of Performing Arts and Department of Fine Arts and Design. Under the Department of Performing Arts, we have Karawitan, Indonesian traditional music, dance, theater, literature and cultural studies, Acehnese language, history study program, Chinese language study program. Under the Department of Fine Arts and Design, we have Fine Arts, Craft Arts, Visual Communication Design, and Interior Design. The vision of ISBI Aceh is to become a higher education institution in the arts and cultures that produces academic, creative, independent, dignified, and cultured individuals. Occupying 30 hectares, the ISBI Aceh campus is designed as an integrated academic and cultural complex that serves as both a center for learning and a hub for artistic creation. The master plan includes specialized facilities for arts and cultures, such as performance halls equipped for theater, dance, and music productions, art studios for painting, sculpture, and multimedia projects, and craft workshops dedicated to traditional Acehnese weaving, wood carving, and other indigenous crafts. Modern learning spaces are complemented by open-air areas that allow for outdoor performances, exhibitions, and community gatherings, creating a vibrant atmosphere that blends academic study with real-world artistic practice. With its unwavering commitment to advancing Aceh's art and culture through a clear vision and mission, ISBI Aceh continues to deliver tangible impacts to both society and the nation. As a center for artistic excellence and cultural preservation, these institutions plays a vital role in nurturing future generations of artists, educators, researchers, and creative entrepreneurs who are deeply rooted in Aceh's tradition yet adaptive to the demands. Each graduate is shaped to be creative, innovative, and globally competitive, equipped with the knowledge, skills, and cultural sensitivity to make meaningful contribution to Indonesia's cultural identity and national development. So join us, ISBI Aceh, where artistic creativity meets meaningful dedication and where every step is a contribution to the cultural legacy of the nation.